Hi, Mrs. Hensley's friends. We have a sight word book to work on, and it will be in your manila envelope that says, I think it says sight word books, or it may even just say books, letter crafts, and I'm not sure what else it says. Letter crafts, books, and I don't remember what was in there, but you are looking for this. It's called Apples. Now, Mrs. Hensley has already colored hers. Yours is going to be all white and black because you have not colored yours yet. So, I colored mine, so you will need this book right here. Like I said, yours is not going to be colored. You're going to be coloring that. And I got a pencil, and I wrote my name, Mrs. Hensley, right here, as neat as I possibly could. Okay? Mrs. Hensley is going to go through this book with you. We are going to read it. I'm going to read it, and then we're going to read it together, and then you are going to read it on your own after you have colored your Apples book, because Mrs. Hensley wants you to send me a video of you reading this book after you have colored it, okay? So it's going to be I do, we do, and then after you color it, you do, and you send me a video of you reading the entire book. Now, some of you held your book up with your iReader and read it like this. Mrs. Hensley wants you to sit your book down, and I want you videoed with it in front of you, okay? In front of you. Let me show you what that looks like. This right here, this is in front of Mrs. Hensley. I didn't turn it around so you can read the words. I want it to turn to where I can read the words, okay? So, I'm going to hold mine up so that you guys can read it and see. Okay, so once you've got your book, I'm going to read it first, and then we are going to read it together. Okay, apples. Mrs. Hensley doesn't have her iReader, so I'm pretending like this is my iReader. You need your iReader, so you'll need to get your iReader. I'm using my pencil. Apples, because I'm at home and I don't think I have an iReader here, and I don't have my Mickey Mouse pointer. Okay, so I'm opening it up, and I'm going to read a red apple. Yum! A green apple. Yum! A yellow apple. Yum! I'm on page 5, very last page. A black apple. Yuck! You wouldn't want a black apple, would you? Okay, I'm going to do that one more time. Okay, because I want you to see how I'm doing this, okay? So I'm doing it one more time. Apples. And you're reading it with it in front of you, okay? And pointing to each word. A red apple. Yum! Do you see that red right here? That's the color you're going to color that page, that apple, red. Okay, I'm on page 3 at the bottom. A green apple. Yum! So you'll color this apple green. Now I'm going to page 4 at the bottom. Page 4. Okay, a yellow, colored it yellow, a yellow apple. Yum! Now I'm going to page 5. Down here it says page 5. A black apple. Yuck! Okay, now what you're going to do, let's read this together, okay? So you're going to read here, and I'm going to put it down so you can see Mrs. Hensley read it. Okay, we're going to read it together. Apples. You should have yours in front of you. You should be on page 2 at the bottom. With your pointer, a red apple. Yum! Okay, turn the page to page 3. You'll see 3 at the bottom. A green apple, yum. You're looking at the first letter in every word because that tells you what it's going to start with. A, yeah. See, you know that's going to be yeah for a Y. Yellow apple, yum. Okay, we're going to page 5. A black apple, yuck. Okay, let's read that together one more time. Apples. I'm on page 1. Now we're turning to page 2. You're pointing to every first letter of each word because that's going to give you a hint on what that sound is going to be at the beginning. A red apple, yum. Page 3. A green apple, yum. A yellow apple, yum. Page 5. A black apple, yuck. Okay, now Mrs. Hensley wants you to go and color this book. Okay, you can color this apple on the front any color you want as long as it's the color of an apple. Mrs. Hensley colored it red. You could color it green. You can color it a reddish yellow color. You can color it yellow, green, whatever, as long as it's an apple color. Okay, and then color your bear. This is a little girl bear because she's got a bow and a collar. Okay, and then these are leaves. Okay, this page, make sure you pay attention to the color word because that's the color that you're going to color that apple. This says red, so that apple is red with the stem being brown and the leaf being green, and there's a little bit down here. Okay, okay, a green, you need to pay attention to green, okay, because that's the color you will color that apple, green. I'm going to page 4. Yellow. Pay attention to that word because that's the color you need to color that apple, yellow. And then the last one is black. Are there really black apples? No. So your front page should not be a black apple. Okay, black. You color that apple black because it says a black apple, yuck. Okay, you're going to go and color yours. Once you have finished coloring it, don't forget to write your name on it with a pencil and then color with crayons. Once you have finished coloring it, then I want you to read every page that's facing you. Have an adult or a sibling video you reading the story with your iReader, okay? And then hit the green add response button, send me the video, and then click the check mark. Okay, to turn it in. You guys have a wonderful day and I will talk to you soon. Bye.